Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do yet another unboxing. This time around we have the flagship device from Moto in India, the Moto Z2 Force or Moto Z2 Force. So this device was announced in India, and this device is a really flagship device, and the specialty of this device is the shatterproof display. So we also seen the Force variant a couple of years back in India. Now we have the Z2 Force. It's a combination of the Moto modes along with the Z series and the shatterproof display. So it's a really good combination, and it has power pack specifications, and this comes with a great overall hardware as well. So the Moto Z2 Force is priced 34,999. That's really good pricing for a shatterproof display, and you also get this Turbopower Pack which is bundled along with this box. So this definitely comes with a great battery, and since the device has a smaller capacity battery, you can see this has 3490 mAh battery. That's almost 3500, and it has the device has a 2750 mAh battery. So together it gives around 6000 mAh battery. So this will come bundled with the box pack, and this is free of cost and included in the 34,999 pricing. So that's the additional mod included. So you can also use other mods which are compatible with the Z2 Play and other devices as well. So this is the Moto Z2 Force, Moto modes compatible, and let's have a look at the features. So looking at the specifications, this is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 octa-core chipset. It has 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, and this is expandable, and it also has USB Type-C port with fast charging support and Android Audio out of the box. So this is the Moto Z2 Force. Now let's get started with the unboxing. So opening up the box, you can see Hello Moto. So just keep this aside, and next up you have this device. So that's the Moto Z2 Force, and the first impression is just a great looking device. You can see the brushed aluminum finish looks really great, and the important aspect is how light the device is and how slim the device is. That's a really great fit and finish and build quality from Moto in this device. So that's the specialty. Excellent build quality, fit and finish. We have a dual camera. It's a 12 megapixel dual camera, face detection, autofocus, dual LED flash, and the Moto logo. So the device has a 5.5 inch quad HD display. It's an OLED panel, and it's the resolution is 1440 by 2560. That's a quad HD display. We have the fingerprint scanner at the bottom, and we have a dual LED flash and a 5 megapixel selfie camera as well. So the important aspect is how good the design is. You can see it's a very slim device, and looks extremely great in terms of the build quality, and you can see the attachment for the Moto mods. So let's boot this device. In the meantime, let's see what else comes inside the box. So opening up the box, we have some information here. The readme, the quick start guide, and the SIM ejector pin is included. Then we have the earphones included. So this is probably a good quality earphone which is bundled with this. So there you go, you can see it's a pretty good quality earphone which is bundled with this. Additional earbuds are also provided in case you want to change them. Then we have adapter for 3.5mm audio jack. You can see that this does not come with an 3.5mm audio jack, so instead you need to use this adapter, the USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. That's included in the box. Then we have the standard USB Type-C charging and data syncing cable, and finally we have the adapter. So this device supports fast charging out of the box. So let's see the voltage rating of this device. So you can see here the output is 5 volt 3 ampere or 9 volt 1.6 amperes, so 12 volt 1.2 ampere. So that's turbo charging on this device. So this should be able to charge the device in pretty good time. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So that's the Moto Z2 Force. Looks really good in terms of the build quality. You can also see the display also looks really good. We have great viewing angles as well. Now let's go to the settings. You can see Android Audio out of the box. So this is the Audio version, and updated to Android Audio and Z2 Force, and it is having the stock Android, so no additional apps are provided except for the Moto app, which does get some additional features to the device. You can see Moto Actions, Moto Display, Moto Voice. So these are the options included. So it's a pretty good UI in terms, features offered, and you can also have this fingerprint scanner used as the navigational buttons by replacing the on-screen navigational buttons. So that's the UI. It looks pretty good, the stock Android on the Moto Z2 Force. Now let's have a look at the camera. So this is a dual 12 megapixel camera, and on the front panel we have a 5 megapixel camera for selfies with LED flash. So let's take some captures. So these are some of the samples we have just taken. So looks pretty good in terms of the details. So here are some of the samples which we have taken after unboxing the device. So we'll be coming up with a detailed camera review of this device, so stay tuned for that. So overall this is a flagship device with a dual camera setup, so it should be able to produce some really good results overall. So stay tuned for our detailed camera review coming up pretty soon. Now the battery capacity of this device is 2730 mAh, and it's a smaller capacity battery, and for that reason we have this turbo power pack moto mode. So we'll just unbox this as well and see this mod. So we have also demoed other mods which came with the Z2 Play in India. So similar to that, you can easily attach this mod to the device and use it as a battery pack. So since this has a smaller capacity battery, the 3500 mAh battery should be good enough for almost like 2 days of battery life. So this is the mod. So just opening up. So that's all within the box. So you can see here 3450 mAh battery, rather 3490 mAh battery, almost 3500 capacity, and the mod also looks really nice. So you can just use this mod and get additional battery packs. You can see here moto mode power pack is attached. So just continue, and you can see turbo faster charging and efficient and more battery. So that's the two options: selective battery mode, turbo faster charging, and efficiency more battery. So two of the options is there. So that's the turbo power connected to the Moto Z2 Force. So this will come bundled with this box pack, and you can also charge this using the Type-C port. So this also supports fast charging. So that's the turbo power pack mod for the Moto Z2 Force. So that is a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Moto Z2 Force in India. So this device is available exclusively on Flipkart for 34,999. That's a really good pricing for a flagship device with Snapdragon 835, 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. So we'll be doing the gaming performance test and also the camera review. So stay tuned for all those videos. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.